Here's how you make tags on Playlister. Tags are a great way to segment which of your TVs get which playlists. Here's how it works. After you go to your screen manager, you'll click this Create Tag button. You will then just type in the name of your tag and hit enter. Once you've created your tag, you'll click on the screen you want to add it to. After clicking on the screen, just click Add Tag and select the tag you want from the drop-down menu. Now this screen is tagged with preschool. If we go back to our playlists, we can tag this playlist with the preschool tag by selecting it and hitting the Add Tag button here. And once again, we select preschool. Now, this playlist will only appear on TVs that have the preschool tag. If a playlist does not have a tag, it will show up on all TVs.